We divide 690 by 6 in a long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 9 and 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 0 and it is 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 690 divided by 6 is 115. So this much for today and thanks for watching.